In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns in Google Slides and add rows. This simple guide will help you enhance your presentations by effortlessly incorporating data from other sources such as Excel spreadsheets. So let's dive right in and explore how to seamlessly integrate these elements into your Google Slides presentation. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, use your Google account credentials to log in. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have the option to either start fresh with a blank presentation or choose from a variety of templates depending on what suits your needs. After opening a new presentation or selecting a template, we're going to look at how you can incorporate spreadsheet data into your slides. If you have data in an Excel file, simply open that file, select the data you want to use and copy it. Then navigate back to your Google Slides presentation. Once you're back in Google Slides, find the slide where you'd like to add the data. Now you have a couple of options, but we're going to link the data directly to ensure changes made in the spreadsheet are updated in your presentation. To do this, you'll want to click where you want the data to appear, then select Link to Spreadsheet. This action will prompt you to paste the copied data into your slide. The benefit of linking your spreadsheet data is that any updates you make in your original Excel file can be easily reflected in your presentation, making it perfect for dynamic presentations that require real-time data updates. To complete this process, click Paste, ensuring your data appears on the slide. By doing this, not only will you have added a row or columns of data to your slide, but you've also created a link back to the source file, keeping everything interconnected and up to date. As a tip, it's always good practice to regularly check the data linkage before presenting to ensure that everything is pulling correctly from your spreadsheet. This is key to maintaining accuracy in your reports and presentations. And there you have it, a straightforward method to add columns and rows from your Excel sheet into Google Slides. With these steps, you can make your slides more informative and visually compelling by integrating complex data sets with ease. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will help solidify your understanding and boost your confidence in using Google Slides more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.